G'day world and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing our first unboxing. We'll be looking at the neewer NW-700 microphone. It's around $60 Australian on Amazon and it was much of a deal because it came with all these different accessories. First of all, we have the Phantom's power supply. Now if you already have a microphone mixer, you don't need a Phantom power supply. This one just came with it along with all the other accessories. Yep, so it comes with this cable which you can plug into your computer, and then there's the little thing. It's like a little box, on and off there. You have your input, your output, and then the thing that this goes into, which is right there. Now here are the cables that go into the microphone. Talk about these a bit later. Now onto all the stuff we've been waiting for. The actual microphone. Do not cut like this. Oh god.
Bruh.
I got it. Okay, so the first thing we have in here is the microphone arm. This is my first time ever having one of these sort of microphones, so I'm pretty as new as you are to this sort of stuff. Okay, looks like it just extends outwards, and this is like, I don't know what's working coming out here. Looks like a pretty simple mechanism. You can get it in the frame. Yep. It's over there. Okay, so we have a microphone cover just to get those pops out. Oh, okay, here's the pop filter. So when you, I'll talk about this later when you plug it in. Okay, a shock mount. So it looks like the microphone will go in here. It looks like it attaches to this arm, so it will go in like that. Get that out. Okay, looks like we have the thing that goes into the computer or camera, depending on what you're doing. There's the one that goes into the actual microphone. Okay, so we have the... Okay, so this is the clamp for the arm, I'm guessing, goes on the table. Cool. Now for the main thing, the microphone. It's a bit heavier than I thought because it was so cheap. I thought it would be like this piece of shit. There you go, so it's got the little thing in the bottom and it's got this metal. Let's put it all together. Okay, so I've got the arm here and I've clamped it down to a little chair because I couldn't find a little table, and I've got the little thing on top. Shock mount sort of twists in here. This is the pop filter, so my voice goes through here. Well, right now, just so you know, you're not hearing me on this mic, it's my Rode, whatever thing it is. Anyway, you don't really need this when you have a pop filter because this is like a bad version of this. So you can just, you know, catches up the pops, like the T's and the P's. Let me just give you a demonstration. Like that. You probably had a bad time listening to that. Sorry. Anyway, that's sort of the physical part of it. Let's check out the software. Okay guys, so I've just set this up differently so the microphone's pointing down. Just move the mic thing in. So now I've got this thing, which is this. Put it back up, it's annoying me. Okay. So now you've got to plug this in to the input, which is this one. Focus. That one. This is input. So you just plug this in. apparently. Oh, okay, so you meant to push that. It says push, you push it when you go in. And then you're meant to get the other cord that has the little microphone jack, aux cable thing on it. Twist it. Why is it so long? Why is everything just so bloody long? Okay, then you're just meant to plug this one in the output. Okay, I'll get my laptop. Be right back. Okay, so it took a while for me to figure out this microphone and how it works. This power supply, I just ditched it, and I'm not even using my computer right now because it wasn't working. I have a Windows 10 Service Pro and nothing happened. It wasn't working, it wasn't connecting. I tried it with the power supply and without, wasn't working. So I just plugged it into the camera, which just shoots out power, and it wasn't working. Then I just did it without the power supply. Now it's starting to work, and this is you hearing what I'm saying. So this is with the little furry thing on it, and this is just an audio test, and we're going to be talking to you guys. So here's some T's, t, t, p, p, and then without it, t, t, p, p. You can hear that pop. That's why that's there. Let's try it with this thing. Now you guys should probably definitely hear a difference, like t, t, p, p. And if you really have a lot of air that comes out, you can do that, but I don't see why you need to do that. T, t, p, p. Normally I just think this is fine. Like this doesn't have to be on there. You can just take that off and then just get the arm and this. I would rate this microphone, like setting it up, for technology wise, I would have to give it a 2. Setting it up because it just didn't work with my computer, my Surface Pro. But the actual microphone, like the quality of it, for what it is, it's a compressor microphone. The price, I would have to say 8 out of 10. It's a $60 compressor microphone. The one I use in my Toasty Time videos, or might change to this, we'll just have to see, is the Rode VideoMic Go, and that has amazing audio, but that's $90 and doesn't come with anything. It's just the shotgun mic. So this pricing's different, but this is newer. So if you've been on their website or see anything on Amazon that's from newer, everything's just so much cheaper. Like I have a lot of camera accessories that are newer, and like so now that you're hearing me talking on this, I'll go back to my normal microphone. Okay, so now you're hearing me on my normal microphone that I normally use for either vlogging. Well, that's not using the GoPro Hero 7 Silver. This is the Toasty Time microphone that I use. I'll put the links for both these microphones in the description below. Thanks for watching, subscribe and hit that like button. Goodbye!